to Our Life in the Philippines. Today we're going to do a little different walking vlog. We are up here around Naples, right? I got a new bodyguard with me today. Ryan. You know, somebody told me last time, right?
Yeah.
And they saw Umberto.
Yeah.
They said, I bet that big guy, nobody messes with you. How are you going to match up to that? Are you going to match up to that?
Yeah, I know the place, you know.
Yeah, you're born here. He's born here. He knows the place very well.
No worries.
All right, so Ryan is our nephew, right?
Yeah.
That's what it is. So we're just going to walk around a little bit today. And
We're going to walk around and see.
check out the town up in Angeles. So we better put up the mask so they don't stop you for that, because they have a tendency to do all that. All right, so boy, it's a lot of traffic today. I don't know why, but it is a lot of traffic. A lot of traffic today, right? So I don't know what all these people doing.
Wednesday or no, Tuesday.
Tuesday. Tuesday afternoon.
Traffic.
Yeah. Traffic all over the place. So, and they never stop amazing me. You know, here's another building. It looks like a parking garage almost. I don't know what's going to be, but condominium, they say. Condominium mall, corporate spaces. There you go. You have some guys working here. Private villas. Okay, so that's Veloci, condominium mall, corporate spaces. Your own piece of paradise, private villas. I don't know. It doesn't look like villas to me. It looks like a big high-rise, but that's what amazes me here with all the construction. All the construction. Look at this, guys. It is just crazy with all the traffic. You can almost think it's a Saturday or something,
Yep.
you know.
Well, it's an everyday here in Angeles City, so
Yeah,
everyday traffic.
it's always busy up here. But it wasn't 5 months ago. It wasn't busy. You got up here, the streets were empty. So we're just gonna walk around a little bit. Check it out. Kamali restaurant. All right. I think the church is down this way, so let's walk down and check it out. Can you hold that for me? So I have my hands free. I think we'll walk in behind here. It's so many cars. Before you know it, you get hit. Mickey D. And people park all over the place, different ways. You know where these yellow ones go?
They go there in SM Talabastagan, you know, the mall there.
Right. So they go there into Angeles and back?
Yeah. going out here, all the way there to San Fernando.
Oh, okay. All the way to San Fernando.
Yep.
All right.
They stop at the mall, SM. That's their like stopping place.
Okay.
So there's the museum I was telling you.
All right. Yeah. So what you know what that's all about. What do they got in that museum?
That's the history of the Angeles City. You know, the places, the old places, the church. It's one of them. You know, it's in there. You can just read. It's the history about this place. And there's the church right there.
All right. So I think they're actually
Yeah.
they're actually renovating the church.
That church is one of the oldest church here in Pampanga.
Yeah, and they're actually looks like they're renovating it.
Yeah, because I think the earthquake, last earthquake.
Let earthquake got to it.
Yeah, gotcha. That this part.
Right. Yeah, it was a pretty decent quake. That was last year, right?
Yeah,
2019.
April.
Yeah, a year and a half ago. Yeah, I remember that one because it took. I had a hard time.
Right there.
I had a hard time walking out. All right, so this museum. So that you said it's more like a historical museum.
I don't know if you're allowed to go in.
Right. Let's go over here and check it out. You got the ticket, right? For the parking? Okay. Okay, so who is this guy? Jose Abad Santos.
I don't know if you're allowed. That's the guy right
Right. Jose Abad Santos, 86, 1942. All right. It doesn't say much of what they actually got in here, but, you know, tend to think they would have a sign where you could see what the museum is all about. But
there. Well, we can see it inside to go in.
right. Were you paid to go in? Or?
The last time I went in, it was free.
It was free?
But I
Yeah.
think it was,
I don't know if you're allowed with camera in there, though.
yeah.
So
I
we'll
think we're
just...
allowed. But
We can just walk. But here you see the church from a little distance. It's a pretty impressive church, actually.
only one service.
Right? Yeah. Right?
There's the library.
Okay, so that's the public
Right
library.
down there.
Yeah. It's the public library down this way, right? Angeles City Library and Information Center. So, all right, so they're putting up Christmas decorations.
Getting ready for Christmas.
Yeah. This year I'm going to try to get down to San Fernando to the light.
Yeah. What do you call it?
It's like a light parade or whatever they call it. It's one of the biggest in Philippines, I think,
Yeah, they're one of the biggest.
if not the biggest. All right, so right across the street here is the library, public library and information center. Dungeon
That
East.
place used to be a McDonald's, but now it's gone.
What is it? A gym or what? East
That
or-
used to be McDonald's.
Oh, really?
Yeah, but now it's I think it's a gym or whatever. But that place right there.
So MacD, they moved away from here. All right, so this street here is a little bit of
You see how it's made, you know, from way back there.
yeah, the brick
Bricks.
block or
It's really
what?
old. It's been there for.
Oh yeah, many years.
And look at this place too.
Yeah, this is also I don't know. You have to translate for me.
It's the mansion of Pamintuan. This is Mansion Pamintuan.
Okay, so there was somebody who...
It was built in 1890 year.
Okay. And what is this? Americano. All right.
It was built for it's like a base, because
For military
it's like
purpose, or?
a head base, for the generals and all that.
Oh, okay.
Against the Americans back then.
Right. So that's 100 plus years ago, 120 years ago.
Yep.
And
It's June 1890.
1899, yeah. Okay. So that's interesting. So it was a mention for generals. Somebody,
Like a place for somebody, some special people.
somebody owns it today and lives here, or?
I think the Angeles City, the government, I don't know. Or this,
I'm not sure. I'm not sure.
But somebody else.
We're not spreading fake news on this blog. So we
I'm not sure.
tell people we don't know.
Yeah.
So if you know, put it in the comment below and get some information to people. So let's go back up this way, right? Towards Angeles. We're kind of on the back streets here, but so we're gonna head up this way. It's nice weather though, not too hot today. Yeah, a little warm, but and a lot of fumes, exhaust fumes. I feel it. All right, this street is a little less busy, I guess. All right, so here's my PLDT office. Where we go, well, I don't do it anymore because we have a pay center 1 block from home, but this is where you went and paid your PLDT, internet bills, and other things before. So we're gonna head up this way. It looks like these things here are taking a hit by some cars. All right, so let's people park on the walkway so you can't walk. I guess it's a bank here. People park outside. Branded overruns of clothes, t-shirts. You see that all over the place. And it's cheap too, T-shirts for 50, 100 pesos. Let's try to hit the road here and walk up this way. All right, so this is coming up to the roundabout up inside Angeles, right? Man, it's lines to get into the bank. It's lines everywhere. Same thing here. Lines all over the place. Yeah, I put a new muff on, the wind muff. Last time I was out, I actually lost it.
Yeah, I noticed the black bottle.
But this one is pretty cool though.
Yeah.
We'll see if it's a little wind today, so we'll see if it works. Hopefully it does.
Yeah, hopefully.
So, We're coming up on the real downtown area. Isn't that what they call downtown, on the roundabout and
Yeah.
the center?
Central.
Pure gold up here. Done one marketing. Some burger place. Again, flip-flop is a popular. Flip-flops are a popular item to sell here also. And that's just about anything everybody wears, right? Flip-flops.
Yep.
It's not a whole lot of people wearing something else.
Good flaps.
Right. All right. All right, so this back there is part of the market area. I had that in a video a week ago, 2 weeks ago, and I was going to go up here and do something, but I didn't. So I did today. Pure Gold is in here too,
Yeah.
right?
We go.
One of the major grocery stores for Filipinos. They actually are pretty good. They're pretty good. Yeah, look at this. They got pretty good assortment of fruits and vegetables everywhere. Sweet longan. All right.
Where to go?
Where do we go now? I think it's for this one. I think we have enough material. I got, how many minutes do we got there? You see it up to the left, right?
Go here, that's way back. At the mall.
Yeah.
There.
Now we can walk back that way. All right, so we decided to continue and walk a little bit. So we're gonna head down this way. If they let us. If they let us. But they will. So we'll head back to the mall area. So we'll shopping centers. So it looks like most stores and everything is open again.
Yeah.
Optical. Yeah, everything seems to be open. There's a closed stall right there, but most of it here seems to be open. So that's a good thing. People are back to making some dollars, or not dollars, but pesos. We had the same issues back home in U.S. So people need to get back to work.
Business.
No entry one way? Okay. All right. No entry one way. Yeah, it's crazy. Yeah, we can. They're so tight up there on the... Alright, so here's another thing, right? They have all these masks or shields. When they... How much were they when they came out? They were like 100 peso, right? They charge 100 peso until everybody had one or two, and then they dumped the price to 10 peso.
Drop the price 60, you know, last 60 pesos
Right.
into 30 pesos.
Yeah, now it's 10 pesos.
Dropping
It was
the price.
10. So, I guess we were overcharged on the first one.
And this is the Angeles City Fire Station.
Alright, so this is the fire station right here. Okay. Been driving by, but you don't recognize it. Angeles City Fire Station. But it looks like everything is getting back to normal. Man, it stinks here though. Look at the water down there, guys. I don't know if you can see it. It is like dirty, dirty. That's one of the things I, take issue with or have an issue with is the open sewage systems. And I think that's the cause for having flu, should we go there or should we go here?
Here.
We go here, okay. We can walk this way, right? We can walk this way here. 4,800 speakers. There's your karaoke piece, right? Yeah. Do your karaoke. It looks like they all. It looks like they all. It looks like they're all jammed up in here. Several places. All right. And they are loud. Man, they're loud, aren't they? They can be loud, for sure. They're running it. So we have, but anyway, this is a little bit about Angeles today. So we're gonna head back to the mall, and then we're gonna go somewhere else and do another one. I think we're shooting for Bago for tomorrow.
Yeah.
So we'll shoot that today and publish it tomorrow. This one is coming out today. Bago.
The mall's right this way.
Huh?
Go this way or this way. It doesn't matter. Yes?
It doesn't matter. We can walk down here. We can walk down here.
Walk out there, here.
It's less traffic here.
Here.
Best Cutter Salon, Aquinos. Family Videoke House. Alright, so then the mall is down that way, right? Alright, so we're heading down there. driving like he has an emergency vehicle. Right, so
Oh,
we're go-
that's why.
huh?
That's why.
Oh yeah. Okay, so what it is, it's
Parade, I don't know what kind.
funeral
Yeah.
with these people driving by, so that's why. They do that here. Use sirens and when they give the last respect, drive through the city. All right, so we're coming up here on Napa Mall, and this one we're wrapping this one up, guys, for today. It was a little walkabout in Angeles City. Don't forget our live feeds on Thursday morning 9:15 and Sunday morning 9:15 Manila time. We're also doing a feed with Landhawk 59 on, let's see now, he changed it this week, but I think we're back to Wednesdays next week. So he had some stuff he needed to do today. So anyway, that's a wrap, guys, and we'll see you soon again. Bye-bye. Wait, don't click that button unless, of course, you hit the subscribe button. And then you can move on. And while you're down there, hit the notification button as well. And if you leave a like or a comment, we will personally respond to you on all or any request you might have. And thank you for watching, and we'll see you again at the next video.